Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how often does Shopify pay out. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. About 1 minute. So in this case, you can check this article here. Schedule your payouts. You can choose to be paid weekly or monthly. By default, you get paid every business day as soon as your funds are available to be paid out. If you want to get paid at regular intervals, then you can set up a weekly or monthly payout schedule. To set up a schedule for weekly or monthly payout, then you have to go to your admin panel and click on settings and then select payments. And now here you have to set up Shopify payments option, and after setting up, click on manage and scroll down, and here you'll find the payout schedule option. So you can select every business day, or you can set up every week by clicking here. Also you can set every month from here, then click on save. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.